In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy gifts under $10 Walmart El Sao 2026. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need on Walmart's website to find budget-friendly gifts, confirm they're gift eligible, and head to checkout. Simple, quick, and affordable. First, open your browser and go to walmart.com. You can use any device. Make sure you're on the official site. You'll know you are when you see the Walmart logo at the top and the big search bar across the page. Click into the search bar and type gifts under $10, then press enter. This phrase pulls up a focused set of options that fit a tight budget. Prices online can change, and some items may show add-ons, so keep an eye on the main price listed on each product tile before you click. On the results page, browse through the items that appear. You'll see pictures, titles, star ratings, and prices. A quick tip: higher star ratings with lots of reviews usually mean a safer pick, especially when you're gifting. Think about the recipient's interests and skim the description to confirm what's included so there are no surprises. When something catches your eye, select the item to open its product page. Here, double check the price is still under $10 and review details like color, size, and estimated delivery. Look for any mention that the item is gift eligible. That matters because gift eligible items can include a gift receipt and hide prices for the recipient. If it looks good, click Add to Cart. A confirmation will pop up. From there, choose View Cart so you can verify your order before moving on. Inside your cart, find the option that says this order is a gift and check the box. Selecting this tells Walmart to prepare the package accordingly and typically enables you to add a gift message later in checkout. It's a small step that makes a big difference when someone else is opening the box. Once everything looks correct, quantity, price under 10, and the gift box checked, click Continue to Checkout. That will take you to Walmart's checkout flow where you'll finish the process. At this point, you've successfully found a gift under $10, confirmed it's gift eligible, and moved it to checkout. A quick reminder: some items have different sizes or sellers on the same page. Stick with the option that keeps the price under 10 before tax, and be aware that any shipping fees will be shown during checkout. That's it. Follow these steps anytime you want an inexpensive, thoughtful gift delivered fast.